How to start a roofing company. Roofing is a business that can supply a steady flow of income, due to the fact that most every house has a roof, and roofs generally need repairs from time to time. If you are experienced in roofing and do not mind the labor, you can earn a good income in this field, not to mention the freedom you can have working for yourself. Roofing contractors can make good money in this field because there is a limited number of people who want to work at elevated heights. In addition, roofing repairs are often needed on short notice. Roofers can demand a premium price, especially when they deliver quality work in a timely manner and they have a number of customer referrals under their belt. To start a roofing company, you need a contractor license. How to get my roofing license in my state? You can obtain both, but you must start with your residential roofing license first. It's required that you have your residential license for at least a year before moving on to the unlimited roofing license, including both commercial and residential. Next, you'll need to take your state roofing exam. What education do roofers need? Roofers do not need a diploma from a university to own a roofing company. That said, online education programs can help contractors learn additional skills with minimal cost. E-learning programs offer the convenience of study at home on a schedule that you fit into your lifestyle. Basic courses are offered, but more specialized courses like Roofing Business Blueprint can give your roofing business a competitive advantage, since you are educated in a lesser-known specialty that other companies may be unable to perform. Many courses are offered on the internet through the National Roofing Contractors Association. What types of insurance are required? A roofing business may need several types of insurance, depending on whether the company hires employees, a vehicle is needed for business purposes, etc. Insurance networks on the web are a good way to get an idea of the type of insurance you might need and what the expense might run you. By getting free insurance quotes through these networks, a contractor can easily compare insurance coverage from a variety of different insurers. This is a simple technique for a business owner to get the information that he or she needs without ever having to meet with an insurance agent face to face. What about supplies and equipment? It is most likely that you will need a company truck to travel to jobs, pick up and deliver roofing materials. Other supplies generally needed by roofers, for example, are ladders, roofing nail guns, hammer tackers, roofing shingle removers, knives, adjustable roofing brackets, pneumatic air hoses, chalkline reels and of course safety gear. Do not forget office equipment. Outside of roofing jobs, you will have business management, daily operations and marketing tasks to handle. A computer, printer and an internet connection will give you the power to manage accounting records, create and print proposals and invoices for clients, set up a website and more. Alternatively, you can outsource these management and operations jobs to other people. However, keep in mind that during the business startup phase, it is good to keep expenses low and cut costs when possible. If you want to learn how to start a roofing company the right way, I highly recommend you check out the Roofing Business Blueprint today by clicking the link in the description box below this video. Please don't forget to share, like and subscribe to this channel.